Hey guys, another quick unboxing and review here. Today we have a budget mechanical keyboard from SHOPEE. This is the Langtu G1000, a 61 key RGB wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard already has 3 connection modes. We have Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, and a 2.4 GHz. They have 3 colors that you can choose from. They have black, white, and pink. So alright, let's open the box. So here's the keyboard. I choose white to match my setup. In the box we have these 3 extra switches, a keycap remover, and a USB Type-C. That's all in the box. Now let's check the keyboard. So here it is guys. Surprisingly, it doesn't look cheap. It looks so clean. At the back we have the USB Type-C slot. Then here we have the USB 2.4 GHz dongle, the switch, and some instructions. This one has a blue switch, but if you are not a fan of loud switches like this, don't worry, this keyboard is also available with red switches and you can change the switches with any available Utema switches you prefer. So right, let's turn it on. So here are its RGB modes. I think it has more than 5 modes, and its backlights are surprisingly bright. Right, so let's try connecting it using the Bluetooth mode. To connect, just hold FN and any Bluetooth keys until you see the key blinks green. Then check your device and connect it to BT50KB. So for the 2.4 GHz, you just need to plug this USB dongle into your device or computer. Then press and hold FN with the 2.4G key until it blinks. Right, so let's try the 2.4G while playing some FPS games to see if it's playable and responsive. The keycap's profile with this one is similar to my keyboard, which is the Keymav DK66, so I'm already kinda used to it. So this keyboard has a backlight color of 16 million colors, has a 50 million times switch life, and a 3000 mAh battery capacity. So far, while playing the game, it doesn't have any delay considering I haven't charged this keyboard yet and it feels comfortable. So there you go guys, I recommend this for its price considering it has a 3-mode connection and it is a hot swappable mechanical keyboard. You can play with your favorite switches and mod them to sound even better. So that's all guys, thanks for watching and see you guys soon.